It's a new 2025 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: continuously variable automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, steering assist cruise control, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.